7th standard assignment. Today we are going to see the 7th standard English assignment book. We are going to see the portions. So for the prose one, now we are going to write. So this is the page number, exercise 1, page number 6. You can see this. Write the synonyms of. So the first Roman letters synonyms: festive, joyous, dazzling, bright, soiled, dirtied, tattered, torn, impatient, restless. The next one is antonyms: countless, limited, different, similar, fill, empty, earn, spent, gaily, shabbily, covered, crowded, deserted. So next one, and the next one, match the words with their meanings. So for treasure, the answer is wealth, riches, or anything that is valued greatly. Glow, to give bright light. Vendors, people who sell things or goods. Dazzling, extremely bright. Suburbs, small residential area lying outside a city. Heaps, a pile of things thrown together. Fair, an exhibition and sale of articles. Earn, to make money through working. Eid, a Muslim festival. Cholera, a waterborne disease including diarrhea, vomiting and cramps. So the next Roman letter, fourth Roman letter, we are going to see the make sentences of your own with the following words. So first one is dazzling. The sun seemed brighter and more dazzling. So you have to frame some sentences using these words. Second one is excited. The boys were more excited than others. Impatient. Finally the day had come. They were impatient. Fourth one, countless. With his money they would buy countless things. Handful, he grabbed a handful of cookies. Decorated, all stalls decorated so gaily. Next one, fill in the blanks with appropriate words or phrases. So first one, the village wore a festive color and everyone was filled with excitement. EXCITEMENT, excitement. It was a festival of Muslims. Third one, his father had died of cholera and mother died eventually. Fourth one, Hamid wore torn cap and tattered clothes. Fifth one, the boys ran ahead of the fathers and mothers. The sixth one, both sides of the road had big houses. The garden was filled with mango and lychee trees. Okay, next one we are going to see the choose the correct answer. The people of the village celebrated Eid that day. Second one, Hamid's father had died of cholera. Hamid believed that his father had gone on official work. Hamid's shirt was soiled and tattered. Hamid was waiting for a sack full of silver from his father. Granny Amina had only a handful of grain. The boys were more excited as they were going to the fair. Hamid lived with his Granny Amina. So before itself you all know about this. Just I am revising you and you can note down in your assignment book. Okay. The ninth one is Granny Amina longed for her grandson. The garden had mangoes and lychee trees. Okay. The next one we will see the page number. So this is the page number 8 and this is the page number 9. Write the synonyms. So the synonym of contented is satisfied. Embraced is huge. Hugged. Expensive, costly. Miserable, sad. Relished, enjoyed. Candy, sweet. The next one, you can see here, crowded. And now we are going to see the antonyms part. Crowded, deserted. Gapped, ignored. Contented, discontented. Attack, defend. Relish, dislike. Sorry, the spelling is DISLIKE will come. Expensive, cheap. They match the words with their meaning. So here the first one is descend and the answer of descend is to move or come down. Then Tonga, Tonga? The answer is a horse-drawn vehicle. Smash. The answer is to break into pieces with a crunching sound. Fourth one is relish, enjoyed or took pleasure in taste. Fifth one is urban, a cloth wrapped around the head. Sorry, turban. Sixth one is smack, open and close lips noisily. In the B option, we are seeing the make meaningful sentences with the words given below. So first one is gapped. They stood and gaped at this with wonder. Worshipper, they worshipped each other. Vendor, I bought these sunglasses from a street vendor. Smash, he wanted to smash something. Hungrily, he looked at the apples hungrily. The next one, we are going to see the fill in the blanks with appropriate words or phrases. The village children found everything in the town to be wonderful. There were rows and rows of men offering prayers at the Eidgah. He couldn't part with the treasure for a few miserable rounds on the merry-go-round. Expensive toys, if dropped, could be smashed to bits, or the colors could run. Some boys bought sesame seed candy, gulab jamun or halwa from the sweet stall. Okay, now we will see the page number 11. Write the following sentences are true or false. So you want to write the true or false. First one is newcomers went ahead to everyone to offer prayers. True. The children were unhappy to go to the Eidgah. True. The boys descended on the sweet and toy vendors like an army. True. The toys cost 2 paise each. True. Hamid ignored everything and went ahead. True. Choose the correct answer. Children wondered at everything they saw in the town. The men embraced each other after their prayers. There were different kinds of toys in the fair. Hamid had 3 paisas which he treasured. Mosam bought a water carrier. Merry-go-round had different animals. Okay children, so till this you can write in your assignment book and be ready. Tomorrow we will continue with the balance. Okay children, thank you.